Hello and welcome to another episode. I'm here in my Niro EV4 trim whilst I'm still waiting for my EV6. It'll be 4 weeks on Thursday since I saw my EV6. They say it wouldn't be 8 weeks, but I think it'll be 8 weeks waiting for my new display. This one is about utility mode and a few tips I've learned on the EV6 that I'd like to pass on to Niro EV MY23 owners. What it's for, how to use it, how to lock the car in utility mode the easy way, and a few other things. Okay, what's utility mode? It's a mode you can turn the car into so that you can have the car on and it doesn't drain the 12-volt battery. It also immobilises the car and it keeps alive the USB ports, the 12-volt sockets and the 13-amp socket. So it's ideal for camping. If you've got your seats down and you had a mattress in the back, you could keep the HVAC on, that's the aircon and the heating, overnight in a minimal fashion. And it means the car can't be driven off without the key being present. And also, to actually get back into drive mode, you've got to turn the car off and back on in the presence of the car key. So it's thief proof. One note, if you're charging the car you can't do utility mode, but you can turn the car on to access the 12 volt and the USBs and some other functions. And whilst you're being charged, the 12 volt battery's being topped up as well. Right, the first tip I've got is an easy access method to get into utility mode. You can set the star button to actually access loads of different functions, and also some of the functions on the steering wheel, the mode button, and there's a star button on the steering wheel, but they have a different list of functions you can actually get access to. If you press and hold the star button, it'll bring up the list you can choose from. See, it's already set to utility mode. By default it would be set to none, but you can set it to things like quiet mode, or turn the display on and off, or phone projection if you're using CarPlay and Android Auto and you want to keep the radio on. That's an easy way of doing it. Anyway, so if you press the star button, that's how you can quickly activate utility mode. Also notice on the driver's display it's no longer ready, so it can't be driven, and it says to deactivate utility, press the start mode button. Set up vehicle down to cluster. You can turn the brightness of the main cluster display down like that. That's at its lowest. And you can also turn off the entertainment screen, just display off. So that's the lowest you can get. The next thing I need to show you is how to actually lock the car in utility mode. And it's not straightforward or easy, because Key Connect will not lock the car if utility mode is on. If you get your key out and pop the manual key out, it only locks the driver's door, not the central lock-in. And if you press the button on the door, that won't lock either. So the only method I've got here is to drop the driver's window, reach in and press lock, and then pull the driver's window up. But you must have the key in your pocket and outside the car for it to work properly. Right, so making sure you've got the key outside the car. Press lock and then pull the window up. And that's it. Then if you move the key away, you can't get in the car with a button. You can't get in the boots. And all the doors are locked. Right, to unlock the car, you can't use the car. I don't think you can use the car key. See, it won't unlock. But if that's in your pocket, and you're in proximity to the door, you can press the driver's button. And that's the way in. Right, notice the screen brightness is down the way you left it, and the entertainment system is off, so just press the screen to get it back on, and then just put the brightness back up to the way it was. Right, so to get it out of utility mode, you've got to just turn the car off in the presence of the car key. So press the foot brake and just off, and it's gone off. If you press it back on, the car's ready to drive. Thank you for watching.